How to go and book on the App Store. Before you start, make sure you access her in sequence. Because type the search bar and type the name of the app. Choose the app. I want to make a bungalow here. So have you made? Tell me this. Tell me is already made. Enjoy. If you want this feedback, then come back to the show. Then not, then show you.